Welcome back to the channel. Take a listen. Oh, fuck! Guys, we're at 32,000 miles. I think my turbo might be blown. Am I overreacting? I don't know, but if you hear me give it a little horsepower, it's like stuck in cycling mode, where the VGTs are, the vanes are cycling. Listen to this. Oh man, this thing ain't supposed to blow off like What is up with that? What? Oh. Welcome back to the Powerstrokerick YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. You already know it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. So guys, this is the clip right here of the first or second data log I did. This is me getting off the freeway when I still had the issue. Keep an eye on the boost pressure, the throttle position, and the exhaust mani pressure. Just look at what's going on between my throttle position and all of that. Like barely even hitting the throttle, and I was getting to 20 pounds of boost and up to 80 PSI of mani. Man, I just stopped on the freeway, driving to Daddy Dave's house, because that's where I was close to. Yeah, I'm gonna have to inspect this thing, guys, because I don't know what we got going on, but to explain it to you, I'm driving down the freeway doing like 75, 80, and sixth gear, the RPMs just spiked to like 2,300, and it was sounding like when the vanes cycle on the turbo and it's like psh, the exhaust does that for a few seconds. It was like stuck in that. So I tried giving it some throttle. As soon as I give it throttle from the engine bay, what is up with that? Guys, we might have a fun one on our hands here. Chance, we need that turbo, buddy! Fuck! 33,000 miles, guys. Fuck. Man, this is not good. Oof. Alright guys, so where we're at right now is I unplugged the batteries. I got SPE, my boy Chance, on the phone. I fucking love you. And it's not... So here's the one thing. It's not doing it right now. So the whole problem was my turbo vanes are stuck like cycling, right? And it's got a lot of exhaust back pressure. So I'm going to do another data log on EasyLink, and I will record them clips into here. But I will tell you this. I did pressure wash the whole underneath of the truck Friday before I like fluid film and coat it. There may be some sensors dangling that are not active no more. So I unplugged a certain harness and unplugged the batteries, and now it's not doing it. So we're gonna go for a drive and see what happens. All right, y'all. I think we're all good. All right, y'all. So I think we're all good. So 6.7, moral of the story, a lot of back pressure in the exhaust, turbo thumping, you know, boost pressure, boost gauge spiking, but it wasn't keeping up with the exhaust back pressure. It was really spiking really high. I unplugged my batteries, let them sit. I also unplugged the emissions harness because, like I said, my dummy self pressure washed the hole underneath to try to get some salt off the other day, and I'm guessing moisture got somewhere, and I'm guessing this is what happened. Now, granted, it's Sunday, and I did drive it yesterday, but I'm guessing that was our issue. So we're gonna send some more data logs. We're gonna put some more clips in here, and yeah, we will say it's a done deal. So as always, it's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. Now this is the data log of when I had it fixed, pretty much. Turbo vane position, exhaust mani pressure, engine load. Chance had me add some other ones in, so keep an eye on all this stuff. This is good and operating right here. This is like a sore dick, can't beat it. Yeah. All right, guys. Right there is how you fix a blown turbo. At least that's what I thought it was, but it wasn't. So, yeah. Taped up. Don't need it. SP. Sore dick. Can't beat it. Peace.